D6916, latter day 37216, named Great Eastern, arrived with me on the 4th of May 2000. Fitting then that I'm making a video about her completely by chance on the 4th of May 2026. I fitted her with 2mm white LED headlights and a module made by me in October 2003. I also fitted 2mm Lighthouse LED yellow marker lights. The Loco is rather special technically, as 820 ohm resistors are fitted between the armature poles. Back in the 90s, a huge expensive push was on to ensure electromagnetic compatibility, EMC, with all things electrical. This law stated that devices must not cause or be affected by radiated interference. So I think these resistors were an extra effort to dissipate the back electromotive force, EMF, and commutator sparking to prevent radio interference. The motor is still fitted with a standard capacitor also, so a really belts and braces effort here. The model comes with a limited production certificate stating that it is number 869 of just 1,000 models to be made. The year is 1994. On the reverse of the certificate is the history of the Locomotive as it was known back in 1994. So I'll run through the key points and provide the current situation as we watch the model in action. She's working a special travelling post office service for us today. D6916 was new in January 1964, going to Landor, then Cardiff, before moving to Healy Mills in 1967. Then the Eastern region at Thornaby and Gateshead, then March, and Stratford in London in 1993. The Loco finally achieved celebrity status now, nearly 30 years old. It had been earmarked to receive the Dutch livery of the infrastructure sector. However, Stratford sought and received permission to return her to almost as delivered condition, in Brunswick green with small yellow warning panels. Better still, the name, Great Eastern, having been transferred from 47581, was received by 37216 as modelled. Looks like she was withdrawn in 2007, but found her way into preservation. On the 1st of April 2026, McLaren Rail posted, "We're delighted to announce the acquisition of locomotives 37216 and 31203 from Glenarvan, formerly owned by the wonderful Les Emery. This marks a step forward and a fantastic addition to our fleet, expanding beyond Class 47s. They bring variety and will feature in our driver experience days. One will remain at Glenarvan, subject to agreement, while the other moves to a new base soon." This from Charlie McLaren, direct to me. "Our plans for the Loco are for it to remain at Glenarvan, subject to agreement, for use on our experiences and the railway services. so it looks like you could get a chance to drive her. Here's a picture that Charlie sent to me. Thanks very much. Hope that was interesting. Cheers for now.